Sunday games right here at the arena as the quarterfinal round continues. Maynilad versus Ateneo at 2 p.m. and the Philippine Army against the Philippine Air Force at 4 p.m.
Partners so far, top scorers in all sets. Roses with 12, Bautista with the same number, Laborte with 6, and Prochina with 5.
Boto, mahabol, ha?
Oh, on this side, it's Artates, Casas with 10 apiece, Goliman with 6, and Boto with the same number of hits.
Now that Boto's in the back line, she will be replaced by Josephine Gafranca, who's not seen much action here.
Familiar face, wife, used to play for FEU.
Oh. Gafranca was actually one of the stars at FEU.
Yan yung mga silent operator na hindi mo makikitang masyado flashy but really effective and you'd see them start.
Right. Lima lost track of where she was.
And then Navy now with 2-point lead. Banyas to serve.
And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Here's the playing coach. 6'2", I would think that's her height. Here's the 6-footer Goliman who snaps it long.
Si Nene Banyas, tinignan nila niya yung sinip niya. Hindi naman niya tatakbuhin yun. Buti na lang well out. Nene still on the line for her second serve.
Here's Ancheta now. Goliman. Was there a net violation?
Oh, a net violation called. Net violation called.
Goliman. 19-15. Ibanez. Gafranca, bad reception there.
Now a free ball will be given.
Combination now for Nene Bautista. Dug up by Gafranca. Ancheta for Pepito.
And that goes wide. Pepito had a good thing in mind. She wanted to go down the line.
But it did not work. Timeout now for the Water Dragons. Now down by 5.
Talagang napapito lang yung referee. Pabayaan yung referee. Maintindihan nyo yung laro nyo. Okay na. Ito, binigyan yung effort nyo. Okay, tiyatan natin siguro na kalaman natin. Okay lang. Aba, ako yung good luck natin trabahan. Ito pa. Malayo pa. Tagay pa natin. Hindi taga pa.
5 points pa kung ano nilagay, no? Tayo 5 points.
Yan ang problema rin if you have two very good setters on your team. Hindi mo alam kung kailan sino gagamitin mo. You have Ancheta who's in right now.
And plus, bago pa si Coach. Hindi kung medyo matagal-tagal na yan, alam niya na yan eh. Kung kailan papapasukan yung veterano mo. Ang maganda, may choice ka ngayon.
Well, Vec Mangi does come in. They need points and they need it fast. So she will replace Pepito.
So far, Maynilad 11 attack points. The Philippine Navy with 10.
Nice serve by Ibanez. And the air for Mangi. Ibanez. Carpio. Bautista. Ancheta. Goliman. Denied by Laborte.
And that was already read by Mick Laborte. Wala na eh. Si Mangi masyado nang malayo. She knew na hindi na mapupunta kay Mangi yung bola. So, ready for the block.
Ibanez continues to serve through this pull away. Cases. Ibanez. Laborte. Turned back by Goliman. Laborte sets it up for Bautista. Ancheta. They go the other way to Mangi. Laborte on the coverage. Bautista. Blocked by Goliman.
Surprise, surprise. No, kung kilala niyo si Joan Carpio, you know that she does that all the time.
Gulat si Josephine Gafranca doon.
Nakatalo talaga, hindi lang the ball.
The Mikasa NBA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies and more thrills with the Mikasa NBA 300.
Oh, one more time.
Sabi ni Gafranca na sumosobra ka na. Here's Mangi. Roses. Carpio. Bautista. Dug up again by Gafranca. Roses with the dig. Laborte with a hook shot. Yes.
And yes, she gets it.
Paano mo dedepensahan yun?
Aldrich Ramos.
Parang gano'n eh. Si Aldrich lang yata pwede ron eh. Nagpa-volleyball ba si Aldrich?
Pwede siguro sa haba na kahit ano pwede gawin.
An implosion by Maynilad in the end game, and it is now match point for the Philippine Navy. Timeout for the Water Dragons. No timeout remaining. No timeout remaining for the Water Dragons. No timeout remaining. They've already called 2. So now, Maynilad has to run through this. Navy just needs 1 point.
And Nene, closing
Kanina pa siya.
a lot
Oo.
of serves. Isasabi ko na nga sana, you see Nene how the way hindi na siya magre-risk dun sa serve pa lang. She will just give you a sure serve
Oo.
each and every time. She will not risk it.
So, the play will continue right now. Ibanez, another sure serve. Cases, Ancheta, Mangi, Bautista, Laborte. Why not? Why not? Hey! Teka. Ayun na. Sabi,
Violation
si
na.
Mick.
Too much. Binilang ni referee Reforzado. Parang 2 seconds ni Mick. Hindi pwede. So another chance for the Philippine Navy.
And Bautista makes it simple. 25-16, straight sets victory here for the Philippine Navy against the Water Dragons. So they snapped their 2-game losing streak, while Maynilad now drops another game here. They will drop their opening game of the quarterfinal. Shaking play, Nerissa Bautista. Easy does it. Straight sets victory here for the Philippine Navy as they get on the winning track here in the quarterfinals against Maynilad. Mahal Panganiban is winner. Shakey's player of the game.
Yes, our Shakey's best player of the game from the Philippine Navy team, Sue Roses. Sue, congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, kanina nag-usap kami ni Coach, 2-game losing streak kayo, tapos ngayon na-break nyo na. Pag-usapan natin yung second set. Down kayo ng 8 points, nakabalik kayo. Paano to nangyari?
Nag-usap kami na yung service namin kailangan sure ba lang. Buti na lang yung service na Ate Mick, naka-point siya. Tapos, yung blockings namin na naging matibay yung blockings namin. Then, sumunod na yung offense namin. So, unti-unti, one step at a time, nakahabol ka.
Ayan, pag-usapan natin yung game nyo next, San Sebastian. Ilang beses ka na naging guest player ng San Sebastian. So basically, alam mo na din yung strategy nila. Sa tingin mo, ano yung lamang ng Philippine Navy team sa San Sebastian?
Yun nga, syempre, ilang years na rin ako naglaro sa kanila. So, alam ko na kung paano sila maglaro, alam ko yung weakness nila, alam ko yung strength nila. So, siguro magko-concentrate kami dun sa weakness talaga nila. Doon namin sila, syempre yung diskarte namin, kailangan, kung saan sila mahina talaga. So, kailangan practicein namin yung especially service namin eh. Kasi alam namin mahina sa receive yung sa San Sebastian.
Okay, good luck sa San Sebastian game and congratulations once again. Meron kang very special volleyball from Shakey's and you have this opportunity to greet all the fans of the Philippine Navy team.
Thank you po dun sa manager namin kay Captain De La Cruz. Thank you sa family ko na sumusuporta sa akin. Roses family, Manalansan family. Sa Dumaguete, Sanisla family and Rosales family, thank you.
Thank you once again and congratulations. There you have it, 2 Roses of the Philippine Navy team, guys.
And a straight set victory for Philippine Navy. And that will do it for us here on behalf of our interviewer, Mark Panganiban, and my partner, Mosi Ravena. Ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam.
Look at that block!
That must have been the best block.
And again, nailing that quick hit.
One more time.
But missing on the second try.
Returns the favor.
Oh my goodness.
And the killer.
That is an excellent play.
Full stretch is needed.
Wow. That is perfect.